Shazan will start, okay? First paper, FUL, okay? First question. Is there any animal cell that lacks lysosome?
And the red blood cells in only human cell that lack lysosomes.
Correct. Next question. In which cell organelles the complete breakdown of glucose in presence of oxygen takes place?
Mitochondria.
This is also correct. Good. Name the energy currency of cell.
Ma'am, it is ATP.
Easy. Correct. Let's see fourth one. Which organelles are present only in plant cell and possess their own genome and ribosomes?
And plastids and mitochondria.
No. Here they are asking which organelles are present only in plants. Only in plants. This mitochondria will be present in plants and animal also. So what will be the answer here? Plastids. Okay. It is present only in plants. And mitochondria, it also possesses own genome and ribosome, but it is present both in plants and animals. Okay, next question. Name two structures which are found in plant cell but not in animal cell.
First is cell wall.
Yes, correct.
Other one is chloroplast.
This one. What are the consequences of following condition? What will happen?
Okay.
A cell having higher water concentration than surrounding medium.
Osmosis.
Yes, osmosis. Which type of osmosis?
The movement of solvent particles from region of lower solute concentration to the region of higher solute concentration.
So what will happen here?
The water will move from lower solute region to higher solute concentration region.
Will it lose water or not? A cell having water concentration, a cell having higher water concentration than surrounding medium, the water will lose. Okay.
Water.
Okay. Because cell is having higher concentration.
Okay.
It will move.
Okay.
So what will happen? Water will lose and it will shrivel, right? This condition.
Yes, ma'am.
It is hypertonic solution, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of osmosis, right, is called exoosmosis.
Okay.
Okay, water is moving out. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Let's see. A cell having lower water concentration than surrounding medium.
Semi-permeable.
What will happen here? Cell is having less concentration, but outside there is more. What will happen?
Endosmosis.
Yes, endoosmosis. The water will come inside and the cell will swell, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of solution is it? Hypotonic solution.
Hypertonic solution.
Which type of osmosis? Endosmosis. Okay. Let's see the third option. A cell having equal concentration.
And this one, no.
Equal concentration. What type of medium? It is isotonic solution, right? So there won't be any net gain or loss of water. That should be your answer. Okay. If the water is moving from this much amount, okay, coming out this much amount, then it will the water will move inside also that much amount only. Okay, it will be equal. So there won't be any net gain or net loss. Okay, understood? Now let's go for the seventh one. Explain how do cell walls permit the cells of fungi to withstand very dilute external media without bursting. Okay, here what is happening? Water is coming inside.
Can I check my notebook?
Yes.
Ma'am, fungi withstand very dilute hypertonic external media without bursting because of their cell walls. In such media, the cells swell up by taking up water through exosmosis and hence building up pressure against the cell wall.
Yes, because cell wall, water is getting inside, there will be pressure created and also the cell wall will create pressure. So both the pressure will be there, it will cancel out. Okay?
Okay.
So it will prevent from bursting. This is in case of plant and fungi cells. But for the animal, it will burst. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, and let's see. Next one. Why does skin of your finger shrink when you wash clothes for a long time?
On the solution of soaps and detergents are hypertonic as compared to the osmotic concentration of our
Okay.
skin. Therefore,
You're telling hypertonic. Okay.
hypertonic. Yes.
So in hypertonic solution, what is the case?
Ma'am, in hypertonic solution, ma'am, it will shrink. Means the cell will
Uh-huh.
shrink. Ma'am, water will like move to the higher concentration region. It will not be stored in that. No, it will come out of from that cell.
It will come out of the cell. Okay.
No, wait. I don't know. Wait. Ma'am, exosmosis.
Soap are hypertonic.
Mm-hmm.
Our finger, when it comes in contact with our finger has more concentration. Okay. So what will happen? It will move. The water will move. That's why our skin, right, finger, if we are washing our clothes for long time, it will shrink. Let's see next one. Dry apricot are left for some time in pure water and later transferred to sugar solution. This is also easy. Same thing is happening here. What is happening here, Karki?
Ma'am, dry apricots have more solutes than pure water. Hence, ma'am, endoosmosis. Hence, the endoosmosis water molecules will move from outside to inside of the apricot through the wall of apricot.
First, what will happen when dry apricot, okay, it is placed in pure water.
Okay.
First, pure water. So, what will happen? Water will come inside, right?
Yes.
Then this will
And ma'am, it will swell.
Okay, your answer should be first, it will swell. Next, again, what they are telling there, later transferred to sugar solution. Then it is transferred to sugar solution.
Okay.
Sugar solution is having less concentration of water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what will happen here? The water inside this will move out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So again here it will shrink. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rio leaves are boiled in water first and then a drop of sugar syrup is poured on it.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, can you try the question once again?
Rio leaves are boiled in water first. Then a drop of sugar solution is poured on it.
This one I am not getting. Can you explain this question?
Okay. So this is the plant leaf, okay? Rio is a plant name and its leaf, okay? What is happening here? We are putting it in water, but we are boiling it. So what will happen? Cell of the leaves will die.
It will get killed.
It will die. Okay. So here there won't be water movement. Okay.
And no
already
change
they
occurs
are
in the
dead.
leaf.
Yeah, water will not move out because they already dead. Okay. That's all here in this case. Next question. Golgi apparatus are removed from cell.
If Golgi apparatus is removed from the cell, the modification of lipid and protein molecules are synthesized by the cell is stopped. Means it will not synthesize protein and that lipid. It will stop.
Yes, the packaging, all that work it won't do.
Yes.
And also secretion, right? That work
Yes,
also
ma'am,
it
the
won't do.
secret.
Okay. Next question, 9th one. Let's see. Cytoplasm and nucleoplasm.
First, can I tell for cytoplasm, then for nucleoplasm?
Yes.
Ma'am, for cytoplasm, it is present inside the cell. It is found in all cells. Ma'am, it is enclosed by cell membrane. Ma'am, can I tell three difference or more?
No, you have to differentiate between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm according to that. Okay. One point you told, right? It is enclosed by plasma membrane, cytoplasm. That point is okay. And for the nucleoplasm, what is it enclosed by?
Enclosed by nuclear membrane.
Yes, that type of point. When you differentiate, you have to relate how both are different. Okay.
Okay, so cytoplasm, ma'am, it is present inside the cell, and nucleoplasm, it is present inside the nucleus. Cytoplasm,
yes.
It is.
Correct, like that.
Nucleoplasm, it is found in eukaryotic cells. And
Okay.
cytoplasm is found in all cells.
Okay, correct. Next.
For nucleoplasm, it is the site of formation of ribosomes, and for cytoplasm, it is the site of functioning of ribosomes.
Cytoplasm, it will contain organelles.
Yes, that only.
Okay, organelles are embedded in
The
that.
cytoplasm.
Except nucleus, all the things, right? That will contain the cytoplasm. Okay. And nucleoplasm, what does it contain? You have to tell that also. It contains nucleolus, chromosomes, etc. That's all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All the points you have said. Okay. Next, we'll see. Name a cell organelle found only in plant cell and mention its various type along with their function and location. This
Ma'am,
one,
organelles.
this one we
Uh,
already saw this in one words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the answer? Cell organelles only found in plant cell. 10th one.
Ma'am, the organelles found only in plants will include, ma'am, chloroplast, cell wall, and a vacuole. Ma'am,
Okay.
the chloroplast
One
contains a
thing.
green pig.
One thing. See, plastids.
Hmm.
Okay. We are not talking about structure. This chloroplast, the plastids types is chloroplast. Okay. So they are asking about cell organelles. You will write plastids. If they are asking about structure, you will write what? Chloroplast. Okay. Organelle. It is plastids. And there are different types of plastids. Okay. Various types along with their function and location. That's what they are asking. One of the type is chloroplast. Okay. One of the type is chloroplast. And other two, tell me. 3 types are there.
Ma'am, I just remember chloroplast is there.
Hmm.
Chlorophyll, chromoplast.
And one more is there. Colorless leuco. Okay. Three. And you have to write the what they have said. You have to write 1 minute. Their function and location. Function and location. So function and location. Chloroplast, what does it have? It has a green color pigment, chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
So its function, what is that?
I'm responsible for photosynthesis.
Yes. Chromoplast, other than green color, every other color. So its function is what? To impart the colors to flowers and fruits. Okay. Flowers and fruits. Next, leucoplast. It has no pigment. It is colorless. Its work is what? Storage. Okay. Storage of starch, protein, oils. Okay. Then we are talking about the location. Chloroplast, where is it? Yes, correct. And this one? Present in?
Flowers.
Colored parts. Wherever there is color, right? You see different colors, right? In flowers. Or sometimes you will see in leaves also some different types of color. Colored parts, okay?
Ma'am, you said that, ma'am, every color, ma'am, apart from green color, ma'am, it is of every color, that chromoplast. But ma'am, why sometimes mango is green color?
Because at that time it has chlorophyll, the color. Okay. And after that the food is given to it, right? By the phloem. Then it becomes that color. Okay. Next, we have what? Underground. Location, this underground and storage part. And there are different types of chlorophyll also. Okay. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Okay. There are different types. Alpha, beta. Let's see in the next one. 11th one. Given below statements have underlined words which may be incorrect. Rewrite these words and state one function for each of them other than those if given. Okay, the first one, the fundamental organizational.
Ma'am, for the first one, ma'am, the cell is the fundamental unit of life. All living organisms are made up of tiny units of cells.
Unit of life is organ. Is this correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, it's incorrect. I said cell.
Cell, right, correct. Fundamental organizational unit of life is a cell, correct. Next one, let's see. The cell wall is an active part of cell and is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable. Is this correct?
No, ma'am, it's incorrect.
So what should be here? Given here?
The cell membrane or plasma membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of the cell from the
plasma. Yes. For both the case, you have to write one function. Okay, they have state one function.
And the plasma membrane is called as selectively permeable membrane because it regulates, because ma'am, it allows only some of the substance to enter it.
No.
And so,
One thing here, you have corrected this sentence. Okay. Again, one more function you have to write of plasma membrane. So what will you write? You will write it is mechanical barrier. It protects cell. Okay, like that. Understood. Next, the
we can also write that, ma'am, that
Ah.
plasma membrane only allows some substance to enter, pass
Yes.
through it. At the same time, it blocks other material from entering
Yes.
through it.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, the presence of plasma membrane enables the cell of plants and fungi to exit in hypotonic media without bursting. This one, this question we have seen, right? Where this first one. So, what is this correct? The presence of plasma membrane enables the cell of plant and fungi exist in hypotonic solution without bursting. So, what will be the answer here?
No, ma'am, it's correct, I think.
How come? So is this then this is wrong? Explain
No.
how do cell wall permits the cells of fungi to withstand very dilute external media without bursting? Is there any difference here and here?
Yes. No, I'm not.
So here in this sentence, they are telling that cell wall is helping the fungi and plant cell to withstand the cell from bursting. In this case, it is telling that plasma membrane is helping it to the plant cell and fungi cell to withstand the pressure.
Okay.
In this case, then both the thing are given. In one case they are telling cell wall, in next plasma membrane. So one should be correct and one should be wrong. So which is correct and which is wrong? We have seen here, right? Cell wall, because plasma membrane is present here also, right? So why
Yes.
this animal cell is bursting? Because this plant cell is having what? Cell wall. That's why it is preventing the cell from bursting. Okay. So in this case, the presence of plasma membrane enables the cell of for plants and fungi to exist in a hypotonic media without bursting? No. What should be the answer here? Cell wall. Understood?
Okay, statement 2 is correct. Statement 2 is correct.
Yeah, this third one, cell wall is correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The fourth one, let's see. Fourth option, the Golgi body functions both as a passageway for intercellular transport and as a manufacturing surface.
No, ma'am, it is endoplasmic reticulum.
ER. Next, leucoplasts contain carotenoids and their primary function is to provide colors to flower and fruit.
Ma'am, wrong. Chromoplasts are colored plastic. We synthesize and store that. What it is written?
Leucoplast, what does?
Ma'am, leucoplast, ma'am, it is colorless. Ma'am, it is for storage.
Okay, that's all. Okay, next question. Why mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell? Give 3 similarities and 1 difference between mitochondria and plastic. First one, why mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell?
Ma'am, because it creates energy in the form of ATP molecules.
That's all. Because this ATP is used in various activities. Okay, that's why the mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Next, give 3 similarities between and differences. First, we'll talk about the similarities. Similarities between the mitochondria and plastids. What is the similarity?
Ma'am, this one I don't know.
Come on, you know, right? What is this here? Every answer this will be given. See, which organelles are present only in plant cell, possess their own genome and
Oh, okay.
right.
This, ma'am. This statement. Ribosome.
So what will you write? Both contain what?
Ribosome.
DNA and ribosome.
DNA.
Next, you have to know that the structure external structure of this mitochondria and plastids are similar.
What one?
External structure,
Okay.
okay, outside their layer, okay, structure similar. Both contains two layers, more than one, two layers, okay. This three similarities you have written. Now what they are telling is one difference between mitochondria and plastid. This one should be simple, right? One difference. What will you
Ma'am,
write?
mitochondria is called. Mitochondria is known as the power of the cell, whereas plastid are known as kitchen of the cell.
And one more, the important thing, kitchen, powerhouse and kitchen.
And mitochondria are present in eukaryotic and plastid is present in prokaryotic. Is this the one?
No,
Ma'am,
kitchen.
the product of mitochondria is ATP and the plastid is glucose which is stored as starch.
Simple. This is, you're going for complex, simple thing. This mitochondria is present in both plants and animal.
Ma'am, that was so simple.
Always think simple, okay. Then, or this?
This is
It is
only
all
present in
plants.
plant cell.
Okay. Okay, this question paper done. We'll go for the next question paper.